It's SheetFools. Today we're creating 24 fun automations that are going to change your aesthetics, make your sheet speak, do random chaos. Right now we're going to randomly bold the whole row when the sheet is open. So we're going to pick a row, bold it each time it's open. Let's go to Extensions App Script. We already have a sort of similar automation, and that's highlight random row. So I'm going to copy that and bring it all the way up to the top and paste it here, and we're going to call it bold random row. And here we have a lot of functions that we could potentially add to our on open. I'm going to actually delete them all, clean it up a little bit. We still have this Christmas mode thing. If you're looking for the other automations and you actually want to get all of these automations, just go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. There you can download for free the entire sheet of automations. So we have this bold random row. Let's fix the function first, which is we're getting the sheet, the active sheet. We are getting the last row. We're getting maximum columns. We are picking out a random row with this math.random and math.floor, and we're selecting the entire range, the entire row. All we need to do is do range dot, and we can do bold in text. Let's save that. And at the very top, when inside our on open, we're gonna just go bold, random row, add those parentheses, save it. And now if we go to our sheet and refresh our sheet, close it and open it, there you go. We've bolded a random row. There you go. And that'll happen every time we open the sheet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe today here on YouTube. And today we're launching all of these automations.